Hello, my name is Dr. Curry. I am the chair of the undergraduate teacher prep program, and just wanted to take a few minutes and introduce myself and welcome you to HIS 302, Social Studies for Elementary Educators. Just wanted to take a couple of minutes and remind you of a couple of things as you're going through this course. This is a totally unique course in our program in that it's run through the Arts and Science, the College of Arts and Sciences, but it's fundamentally an education course. The big idea behind the course is that we wanted to give you a one semester experience where you learn all of the content that is related to the Praxis 2 social studies tests. As you know, the Praxis is a vital part of your coursework, and it's a gatekeeper for you to get into your student teaching experience. So one of the things that we're trying to do is really encourage our students to start taking their Praxis exams early, so that the Praxis exam isn't holding you up before you take your test. In case you didn't know, I'd be surprised if you didn't, but in case you didn't, the Praxis 2s for elementary educators, you've got 4 exams that you've got to take. You've got to take an ELA, a math, a social studies, and a science. One for each of the content areas in which you'll be teaching when you get your position in an elementary school. So this course focuses exclusively on the content for social studies. So just wanted to take a minute and show you where to get to some of the Praxis resources that you'll need in case you haven't done this before. So all I did was I start where we always start when we've got a question or need to find something out. I started in Google, and all I did was Google ETS and Delaware. And if you see this first hit, you've got Praxis, Delaware ETS, and I clicked right on test requirements. This is where always takes me to the right page, and this takes us right to the Delaware test requirements. If you are going to be taking a Praxis exam in any test in the state of Delaware, this is where you go to learn what you need to do. So you're going to go to Elementary Ed, and as I said, you've got 4 exams. Delaware gives us 2 different test options, the 5001 series here, or you've got the 7811 series. Please know that this test, the 5001, is being discontinued and isn't going to be run anymore. I believe it's after September 1st of 2021. So don't take this exam. Definitely take this exam. One thing you should know is that when you take your Praxis, you need to submit your test results to both the state of Delaware, Delaware Department of Education, and to Wilmington University. We need to get your test scores to make sure that they're passing. So I'm going to click right here on Elementary Education, Content Knowledge for Teaching, and you've got great study plans right here, and you've got resources for which you can buy to be able to study for the test. Registration happens right on this link right here, so you can click there and find out when, where, and how you can take your Praxis exam. But you'll be learning all this stuff in class. I just kind of wanted to reiterate the importance of the Praxis exam, reiterate the importance that you take it during this course, and that you start to think and prepare for your other Praxis exams. At Wilmington University, we've got a bunch of resources to help you prep and study for the Praxis tests. We've got our Student Success Center, where you can set up private tutoring. You can schedule a meeting with a private tutor to go over ELA content, math content, or science content as you're prepping for those exams also. So that's about it. Not super exciting, but I want to make sure, again, that you know this info, that you know where to go to get it, and that you prepare well for this exam. Again, thanks for taking this course. We're excited to see how you do on your next exam. If you have any questions, you can always email me. My email is Michael, Michael, .g as in green, .curry, Curry, @wilmu.edu. You can find my contact information on the WilMU website, or I'm sure I've emailed you sometime in the past. So again, hey, have a great semester. Have a lot of fun. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. All right, thanks.